I wanted to come to you to show you my wash routine after my braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take these out as quick as I can. They've been in here for a while, so I just don't want to agitate my hair too much. I'm gonna just spray on some conditioner and a little bit of cheap oils. I have just a little bit of water in here, and if I can squeeze this out, I'm just gonna put a little bit in here because I want to be able to detangle it once I'm done. They've been in here for probably about 4 weeks now, so it is long overdue. I'm surprised I left it in here this long. And just putting a little bit of cheat oil in there. Alright, and sometimes anyways, like if my hair's been out, I like to kind of give it a pre-condition before I shampoo, because it helps me to be able to shampoo it much better, especially with it being natural. So I am gonna go ahead and spray this on my hair, and I'll be back with you while I'm taking it out and once I get it out. And so continue watching. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. Also comment, let me know about other videos you want to see, or if you have any questions. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. So I'll see you guys in just a moment. guys, so after sitting under the hydration machine, I went in and blow dried my hair dry, and I just braided it up for the night. Check in the next video to see how I styled my hair next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.